This 2014 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 3180RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, stovetop burner, TV, leveling jacks, oven, skylight, refrigerator, DVD player, awning, air conditioning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 3180RE is 5,897 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.